A new year begins, not with pressure, but with a pause. January is your moment to reset the noise and reconnect with yourself. Get away from the everyday chaos of commuting, notifications, and winter stress. Start the year with calm, clarity, and care. 1 hour just for you. Reset the noise at Hand and Stone.